off my makeup with me. Pumpkin edition. Let's start with the eyes, eyebrow. This towel literally takes it off so easily, you guys. This is my limited edition Halloween makeup eraser. You guys know I use these towels in all of my take off my makeup videos. There's only a limited quantity available, so get yours before they're gone. And just look at that. All you have to do is wet them with a little bit of water and then just wipe it off. They're also very much reusable. You just throw them in the washer or just hand rinse them with water. Link is in my bio if you want to grab one.
This is me, taking off a look that took 3 hours. I've only had it on for 5 minutes. But I'm really not looking to break out. I'm really hoping I at least got my 15 minutes of fame from this because my face is probably going to be stained for weeks. Thank you for coming to my
Take off my liquid latex with me, unsafe edition. Before I take this off, I made a YouTube video showing you how I put it on, and I also talk about how I went on a Hinge date with a con man. So if you want to check that out, link in bio. Starting out strong with the hands.
Wasted.
Ow! Oh my god! I feel stupid! Try that again, not stupidly. Oh my gosh, that... Come off! Wig snatched. Boop, 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 boop. Pew. I'm just gonna give you all a little tester sound. At least the hair's gone. I'm gonna go for it. Oh, that wasn't bad. Yeah. I'm an egg. This one is gonna hurt so bad, I just know it. I put some aloe on it. Oh man. Just do it. Last one, here we go.
I literally look like a bug that just got hit with a flash water, but I'm gonna be wiping on my makeup. Well, I'm not actually wiping on makeup. I wiped off my makeup and put it in reverse. But if I could wipe on makeup like this, that'd be a pretty nifty skill. But anyways, I'm throwing this back.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? 'Tis time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Honestly though, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. But these horns are so big and heavy that it took so much to glue them onto my face. But that's not important. Let's take them off. Nice. Ooh. Takes so much time to put it on and so little time to take this off. Actually, just kidding. This is probably gonna take like 3 hours for me to wash off. Okay, it's coming off. That's good. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna go shower. I feel so much better now. Have a great day, you guys.
Take off my makeup with me, scary toothy person edition. Guys, I literally made this entire thing by myself and I'm really proud of it. First, we gotta get rid of these contacts. Oh my gosh, I can see again. Okay, I guess let's start with my little head scar. Let's try and get some of these teeth out. Oh my gosh. He's getting a lot of money from the tooth fairy. Let's see if I can get any of this off. Ow! Now I just look like I have a bloody mustache. Okay, you can do this, you can do this. Ow. Ow, ow. I don't think this glue is ever coming off my face, so I'm gonna go shower.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, baby, it's time to take this off again. I haven't done anything with latex for so long it feels weird. Oh boy, a nice long one here. Come on! Oh, there we go. I was trying so hard to not get this into my eyebrows. Nice. Oh. But that's not it. We got these ones too. Ah! Boom. That's it. Now I need to go wash my face. All clean now. I will be posting a tutorial for this look on my YouTube, so feel free to check it out. Have a great day, you guys!
Take off my makeup with me. Snow White edition. My little bow. Snatch. Grab that. Ooh, let's give her a good little wipe. This took me so freaking long. Now the fun part. I have a premiere to go to in 20 minutes that I'm not ready for. It's up my nose. I should have just went like this. Why does my eyebrow always stay so crusty? I'm gonna go wash my face. Take off my makeup with me, zombie minion edition. Okay, I genuinely don't think anybody has done this before. This blood under my eyes is so sticky. Oh God. If this isn't commitment to good content, I don't know what is. It's kind of coming off. My ears are stained yellow, but I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me. Let me take this wig off. I literally have sprinkles all over my floor. I don't really know the best way to do this. These are gonna be everywhere. This is not gonna be fun to clean up. Let's get the other side. Ow, why does that kind of hurt? They're stuck in my eyebrow. Get these fat lashes. Ow. Let's see if I can get this paint off of me. There's a lot going on with this eyebrow right now. Oh. Thanks for watching.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You already know what time it is? It is time to take this off again. This is the second part to my Zodiac series, and this is Sagittarius. Did I say that right? I did not say that right. Anyways, time for the good stuff. Oh, that didn't go as expected. Let's do that again. Okay, better. There we go. Nice. There we go. And the last one. Oh, that one's in my hair. But I do be like that sometimes. I got this though. Come on. It's out. Gotta take the rest of this off. And that is all. And as always, the tutorial and all the products I used will be in my YouTube. Have a great day, you guys.
Get unready with me, Ice Miser, Heat Miser edition. First, I gotta get rid of these contacts. Now I'm taking off the lashes. I painted this one white myself because I didn't know if you're supposed to buy them white or if you can paint them, so I just painted it. I don't exactly know how the best way to do this is, so I'm just gonna go in. I'm literally gray. Why? Why is this happening to me? I don't know how I'm gonna get this paint off my ears, and I put literally acrylic paint in my hair. I don't think that's safe. If this isn't commitment to good quality, I don't know what is. 1 like equals 1 prayer. I'm gonna go shower. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna be taking off my makeup using whipped cream. I did the zombie look using a full face of NYX Cosmetics. Every product that I used is shoppable through Walmart.com and the link on my TikTok profile. Just hit the shopping bag icon and all the products will be there. And now, for the whipped cream. If you guys are wondering, wow Sid, why are you taking off your makeup with whipped cream? During the live, you guys picked dares for the loser to do, and unfortunately, I had to spin the wheel, and this is what I gotta do. Yummy! Let's get some straight from the bottle. Oh, right there. This feels wrong. But does whipped cream work as a cleanser? Get the neck. Tell me why that's kind of working. Whipped cream is not a good cleanser, but NYX Cosmetics is a good makeup line, so go check them out.
You're telling me we just did all of that and I still look like this?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get back on.
No!
Sydney, it's over.
You
I
can't,
just
it's
wanna
gonna
be-
get stuck. Oh, no.
Stop! You're taking away my thing!
Get unready with me, Rainbow Special Effects Edition. Let's see. Gotta get the forehead. Cute! I'm gonna take some makeup melt. And we're gonna rub that in. Now I'm taking my makeup towel. Thanks for watching!
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? It is time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Time for the good stuff. Okay. Ooh. I wanted to take it off all in one piece, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I mean, kinda. This was my second attempt at doing the Lust look because the first time I did it, I did not like it. I am pretty happy with this one though. I need to go wash my face. I'll be right back. So much better. The full tutorial for that look, as well as the products I used, will be in the link in my profile. And as always, have an amazing day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It is time to take this off again. Oh yes. This is not my best look, but it's not the worst, so we're chilling. Good stuff. Nice. It always feels good to take makeup off. Especially makeup like this. I'll be right back. Oh wow, look, nothing changed. I'm just kidding. Look at me. Even though that was a fairly simple look, if you guys still want to see a tutorial or want to know what products I used, go ahead and check the link in my profile. It's a tutorial, oh yes. But other than that, you guys have an amazing day. Yeah.
Take off my makeup with me, Baby Yoda edition. Let's get this stuff off. Oh my gosh. Let me take these contacts out. Let's get this bald cap off. This is a look right here. Oh wow. Let's try and wipe it off. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me. I love how this one turned out, and it high-key makes me want to dye my hair red. Snatch! Let's get these bad boys. Oh. Get the lashes. Now this should be fun. Oh, girl, she's not budging. Ow! No, wait, it stayed in one piece. The neck is always the most painful. Ow! Selling this on my Etsy. Get the pearls. Why does it look like that? The other side. Going in with some Neutrogena makeup wipes. And we just hope for the best. I don't know if my eyebrows are ever coming back. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, Scary Pumpkin edition. Let's take off the cloak. This is a massive contact. Oh, I made these drips out of latex. Oh. Ah. Ow. Cute. Let's get the one eyelash. I'm gonna try this Good Molecules cleansing balm. I'm gonna need a lot. I guess we just rub it in. What do I do? Hi. Now I'm just gonna wipe that off. There is black paint so far up my nostrils. Get the neck. It's actually kind of coming off. Yeah, I think that's the best I can do, so I'm gonna go shower. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna be taking off my makeup using whipped cream. I did the zombie look using a full face of NYX Cosmetics. Every product that I used is shoppable through Walmart.com and the link on my TikTok profile. Just hit the shopping bag icon and all the products will be there. And now, for the whipped cream. If you guys are wondering, wow Sid, why are you taking off your makeup with whipped cream? During the live, you guys picked dares for the loser to do, and unfortunately, I had to spin the wheel, and this is what I gotta do. Yummy! Let's get some straight from the bottle. Oh, right there. This feels wrong. But does whipped cream work as a cleanser? Get the neck. Tell me why that's kind of working. Whipped cream is not a good cleanser, but NYX Cosmetics is a good makeup line, so go check them out.
So like, do you ever do a makeup that you just don't want to take off your face? Because that's what I'm feeling right now. I need to go out and I can't have this on my face because it's too much and society doesn't understand this yet. So I am forced to take this masterpiece off. This is bringing me physical pain. You can see my eyebrows now and I don't like it. I'm mad.